videos. Here we go, Bob. Right, we're at the Farthing corner, one of the motorway services on the M2. And if you're not familiar of where we're going today, it's Margate. And if you're from America, and some more bikes coming in. Yeah, like I say, if you're from America or abroad or somewhere like that, and you don't know where Margate is, it's on the south coast, and it's a lovely little town where all the bikes congregate, and that's where we're all going. That's my mate Bob there, who's got a Harley Davidson, and I've obviously got the Triumph, as you well know if you've been watching the channel. And we're going to go off now, so I'm going to cut this short, and Treble 7 Rough Driver is going to sign off and film at Margate. So we'll see you there soon.
About time, eh? Sorry about that. You want a pop? brought it in on someone, they used it.
Slowly piling up. Put the umbrella up. Look at that. Eddie Lawson, isn't it? Colours. Normally you can park up here if you had, do you remember, a long time ago, they used to stop any Japanese bikes from being up here. These are like Triumph only. Why are we going to go round here?
Oh, look, Harley, like, hang out. I should have been up here.
You should, that's what I said, Bob Harley. It's like your bike there, Bob, a bit. Isn't it?
On the way over there.
Break it out there.
He used to be a fucking Geordie girl with a cat.
Oh, mate.
I've got on all right, mate.
Indian.
That's all rocket.
Yeah. Got a bit of paint on that one, hasn't it? That's cost a few bob, I reckon.
What's that, mate?
It's an X4.
It's an X4, is
Yeah,
it?
360. We call 360 round.
Yeah. Nice.
And it should be 400 quid. Yeah.
Yeah, but it's worth it.
Yeah.
And you attach it to your bike, can you?
Yeah, you can got a clamp and everything. Yeah.
Yeah.
Put it onto
Yeah, because I
it,
was thinking of getting one. What, is it one of those Insta ones?
Yeah.
In the Insta
Yeah.
one, yeah.
Yeah, they're
You get
good.
these cheapy internet ones now, can't you? And they're like no money at all, but they're shit, aren't they?
Yeah, well, you've got to go with the best.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
the
'Cause I've got a GoPro, but they're not as good as them. The
I
360.
had a GoPro and it packed up, and I've got another little camera. I use other cameras as well.
Yeah.
but This is good for like you can change the angles on it as well.
Yeah, I like that. Yeah, yeah, it's good.
And you can't see the stick either when you're holding it.
No. So do you have it on the back or something? So you can
You can have it in the
clamp
back.
to anywhere?
You can have it on the front.
Yeah.
You can put it on the bracket at the back, on your handlebars going over like that.
Right. Yeah.
So yeah,
Yeah, it's quite useful.
And then you can use it like a little mic as well. You go around with a little mic,
Nice.
a little pickup. It's worth it.
Put on the bikes, though.
It will be down here, but yeah, it stands out a bit like a big.
Yeah, almost a 360.
You alright?
Yeah, yeah.
He said he'd give you a trophy later.
Yeah.
Harley heaven here for you, isn't it?
Yeah, it's lovely, isn't it?
It's been ill now. Look, it doesn't like Harleys.
I don't dislike them.
But you wouldn't have
They're
one.
no good for me.
That's nice, that one, isn't it? That's got some style to it as well, hasn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I do like the beach bars, I must admit. The seats looks nice and comfortable. I wouldn't be better to get it into the shed. No. Another post. That's the trouble, when you make that decision, it's like if you bought the Rocket 3. There's no way you'd get that through your, would you?
Well, Well,
You got your rocket one, no, but with the new one.
Yeah, the new one
was a bit better. Yeah.
It's from one handlebar to the other was 38 inches.
Bloody hell. It's a lot, isn't it?
I bought it and I thought I ain't going through that gate. So,
But the Harley goes through there all right, doesn't it?
well, yeah,
Yeah. Just. That's the trouble, isn't it? You don't
I
realise.
could have done with another brick being taken out.
You don't realise when you actually buy a bike, getting it through an entrance. No, you don't take that into account. You buy it, and then you go, "Oh God, I've got to do some alterations."
Oh, I've got strict instructions. I was going to say that, but don't come over with another jacket.
You got one of those lumberjack ones, didn't you?
Yeah.
That's,
What a problem is, John?
I think you've got to do t-shirts now and all.
Yeah, I've got 3 more on order.
Really? I used to be having a lot of t-shirts. I stopped it. But
still a few more bikes to go in. Well, so it's only 10 o'clock. There goes the old air dryers. Well, everyone's got their cross to bear. That's one of them, I suppose, isn't it?
Parks up with the Hells Angels are. Fit in well.
There's the old booster there. Sad day, mine's gone. Gone to the shop in the sky now, so you expect to see me booster on this channel, it's gone. Yeah, some lucky person's got my bike. But yeah, I was getting a bit too old for it.
That's the fat mobs I like.
Yes. It's just the back end I don't. I like the front end on it.
Yeah.
I just don't. The back end needs chopping. It just that back end doesn't seem to fit the front. If you understand what I'm saying. Is that a Rocker C?
Nah,
What's that one in? That's it.
Bucks Fizz.
Oh, it's a Bucks Fizz man to make believe. Yeah, it's not real. Look like a Rocker C from the front of it. Bucks Fizz. Yes, we use the Bucks Fizz if you haven't got a Harley and it's a Suzuki or Kawasaki. It's Land of Make Believe if you know the group, and that's what we call it, a Bucks Fizz. I'm going to the harbour now. Quite windy up here today. Oh,
I've had one on my bike and on my car, but not when I'm walking.
you can't see it because it doesn't show up the stick.
he's not with us.
He's not- I think we can't believe you're going around with a stick.
Give you so many colours we don't have with here.
Pat test. What's a pat test then? What's that all about then? Setting up now the old stalls. You after something then?
What's all that about?
I don't know. I suppose when we come back we'll find out, won't we?
Yeah.
Is he?
Three of us haven't worked it out yet.
I'll take it you're going to the Himalayas. Are these all three, are they? I don't want them.
He's now.
Oh, here's a hero.
Oh, hang on, might have some change.
He's just taken all mine.
Oh, Charlie has. After I've worked with him, every time I come bottom, I'm just giving it to Blake up there.
All right, bear with me.
Cheers, thank you very much.
That's my pension gone.
Oh dear.
See, that's what I'm going to be moving into. I'll get a laser.
8 laser printed on the wood then. Oh, it's Bob Harley up there, look. Wrap around glasses there. Yeah. They're quite nice, those round ones, aren't they? The round ones there. The old cowboy ones, aren't they? It's sunny, overcast and windy. Get to the end. Let's look across the harbour. The dreamland over there. Alright, going to stop recording now. Stop recording. Oh, we're at Margate now. You see all the bikes coming in? Bob and John, it's my compadres.
Padres.
I've never seen that before. It's on every year, this Margate Meltdown, and all the ones that are familiar with the actual event. It's run by the Ace Caff. And obviously there's a few bands on today as well, and the mods will be coming in as well on their scooters.
He's here.
He's here, yeah. I'm waiting.
You hate you got cops there. They'll be following you everywhere.
We're going right to the end now, are we? We're safe, Bob.
Huh?
We're safe. Did you want to ditch your jacket later? We do. Yeah, I don't know, it's a bit breezy, yeah. There's a few booths. Oh, this must be the photo thing there. Our photo will be over there, Bob.
Yeah, it will be, won't it?
Have a look in a minute, eh? We should be quite early anyway. Yeah. Nine something, wasn't it? Nice Kawasaki, 500, eh? That's him and him about, yeah.
Getting no mileage on it.
It's probably an import, is it? Nice seat. That seat's not original though, is it? You reckon that seat's original? It's very good, isn't it? Well, it's put its way. It's well looked after, that seat there.
Hasn't been used, has it?
No.
I keep looking at these for something fun to just ride around.
Which one, that?
Yeah, CCS.
Yeah.
You don't want to go far on it. Just,
No.
You know, just to muck about the fields. Yeah,
Town bike, isn't it,
yeah.
really? Well, I say town. You could go far on it, obviously. I don't say you can't.
Wrong end.
What year is it? Oh, he's got a proper. He's got a what name number plate? Isn't he? Private number plate, isn't he? No, that's not a Storm. Because I tell you, that's that one. It's quite expensive. That's a what do you call it? Special edition one.
Oh, is it?
Yeah. Yeah, they hold their price. They do those ones. No, it's not a Storm though. Because what's that? Oh, that's that Chief, isn't it? Yeah, smaller than that. Yeah. Hasn't got none of that oiling thing or nothing like that. The X. You might see one down here. The wife doesn't know yet.
Yeah, I know. Wanted too much money.
Because I've got an umbrella up.
Yeah. Oh, they got a bar over there now.
Smoking code.
Yeah, we've got this Oz. We said, if it's raining Monday, we're coming into work. But if it's dry, we're going to Margate. Just give us the holiday before Tuesday then.
Yeah. Bit chilly now. Look, have a coat on. We said it was going to cloud over, didn't we? Yeah, all the bikes are lined up here.
Yeah, oh, that's true. I mean, yeah, sorry, you're right. You're right. Just because it's not doing it here doesn't mean. Yeah, gotcha.
You see your bike here? You might be on YouTube. They're all coming in now. We've got here quite early to have a breakfast. Had a quite a nice breakfast in the Mechanical Elephant, which is a Witherspoons. Well, that's a Larry booster, isn't it? Yeah. I don't think you could beat the Gen 2 for looks, though, could you? At the end of the day.
The back end was a lot better, wasn't it?
Yeah. Yeah, and I must admit, I even think it out trumps the Mark III back end sometimes. I like the Mark III, but I just thought the Mark III, they should have put a turbo on it or something. Just gave it a bit extra.
Yeah, but they took things off of it. They
Yeah.
like less fuel.
Yeah, yeah. More acceleration, less top end, wasn't it? Oh. Yeah. Surprise. Tide's coming in, or is it going out? I don't know. Could be going out. Doesn't like so many bikes down here.
No.
Yeah. It is a bit early, isn't it?
10 o'clock.
Yeah. That's that limited edition one I was telling you about. It's 2 seats, can't be that limited. You like it?
I do actually.
It's all the red bits, isn't it? It's lovely, isn't it? The badges, look. Everything badges up, red. Seating, red. Even the oil cooling box is red. Is it?
It's nice. I think I could probably even live with the headlight.
Yeah, with that
Just.
colour, yeah. It's a nice colour, isn't it?
Yeah, it's a style with the headlight.
Yeah.
I don't like it.
No, you like the round one, wouldn't you?
Yeah. Well, this one, that is big. But yeah, I'm with you on that. It is nice, that colour.
It's one of my favourite, actually. When I saw this, I thought if I had the Dosh, I'd buy that. But it's 22 grand, you know what I mean? It could be 23, some of them, but they're a limited edition. I think this is, it should say
It
it.
should say on it somewhere.
Yeah, it says, there. 031, yeah, 3000. Yeah, 3000. So this is 301 for 3000.
Like it.
Your bike again.
Really?
School over there as well.
Yeah.
We're going down this side now?
This way?
Yeah, go down that way. Up we go again. Oh, look. Oh.
Sort of like all of a sudden Dean disappears to the nearest charity. There's one round there, nice PCA. Round the corner.
You want to get a bargain? Yeah, the greedy cow, this one's called.
I'm not hungry.
No, I think you shouldn't be after those. They actually got school over there as well. We're going down this side now?
This way?
Yeah, go down that way. Up we go again. Oh, look. Oh.
Oh. Wait, I was.
We're not getting run over now. Quite a few people have now turned up. You could be on my channel. Give yourself a wave. It's getting Ramo now. absolutely ramo now. Stark difference from an hour ago. There's my bike. Scooters are normally here, but they're not here now. Don't know why. Oh, there's a couple there, not many though. Well, that's it from Rough Driver. Hope you enjoyed the video. More bikes coming in, and well, if you're on the video, can't get everybody on there, but it's been a good day so far. We might put a little bit more in the end, I don't know yet. Anyway, this is Rough Driver signing off, and thanks for watching the video, and thanks for tuning in, and catch you later. Wherever you are in the world, stay safe.